Take a look at how this space transforms from an empty plot into a cozy living room. In the previous episodes, you've seen how the house was built, from the foundations all the way to the roof above. You can find the full series using the link in the description below. Now, let's move inside. In this episode, we'll explore the ceiling and floor structure, what's above your head and beneath your feet in this modern home. Before we begin, here's a quick recap of what's already completed. Concrete foundation strips, reinforced permanent formwork, the foundation slab, load-bearing walls, lintels, the ring beam, and the roof structure with full bracing. The roof layers, windows, and doors are already in place. The building envelope is complete. The walls are covered with a base layer of plaster. This creates a smooth and even surface. Thermal insulation is installed between the roof trusses. This layer significantly reduces heat loss from the interior. It helps maintain a stable indoor temperature and lowers energy consumption. Mineral wool is also non-combustible, which increases fire safety. Wooden beams are mounted below the trusses. They create a supporting structure for the ceiling system. The space between the beams is filled with insulation boards. This improves both thermal and acoustic performance. A vapor barrier is installed across the entire ceiling. Its role is to stop moisture from the interior air from entering the insulation. Electrical wiring is installed next. It runs in the installation gap between the vapor barrier and the ceiling finish. This keeps the vapor barrier intact and avoids unnecessary penetrations. Air ducts for the ventilation system are installed. Mechanical ventilation ensures fresh air without the need to open windows. It improves indoor air quality and overall comfort. A metal frame for the ceiling is installed. This frame carries the ceiling panels and ensures a flat, stable surface. Plasterboard panels are mounted to the frame. This creates a clean, continuous ceiling surface. Openings are prepared for lights and ventilation outlets. An expansion strip is installed along the perimeter of the room. This flexible layer allows the floor to expand and contract with temperature changes. Rigid insulation boards are placed on the floor. These boards are designed to handle higher loads. They prevent heat loss into the ground and improve efficiency. A reflective foil layer is installed. It helps direct heat upward into the living space. It also acts as a separation layer between materials. Pipes for underfloor heating are installed. They are arranged in a spiral pattern for even heat distribution. This ensures consistent temperature across the entire floor surface. As a result, there are no cold or overheated spots. The floor is covered with a screed layer. This material has excellent thermal conductivity. Heat from the pipes is transferred efficiently into the floor. A vinyl floor finish is installed. Before installation, the screed must be dry, smooth, and properly prepared. Vinyl is a great choice for underfloor heating due to its low thermal resistance. Walls are painted with the final coat. Outside, final adjustments are completed. Once the exterior is finished, the focus can fully shift to the interior. Smooth plaster surfaces combined with light colors create a clean and bright interior. They also help regulate indoor humidity for better comfort. Ventilation valves are installed. Built-in lights and fixtures are installed. They provide even lighting throughout the space. Built-in furniture is installed. A dining table and chairs are placed. In modern open interiors, the dining table often becomes the center of the home. It connects cooking, dining, and social space into one area. A sofa and coffee table are added. Soft furniture also helps improve acoustics in minimalist interiors. It absorbs sound and makes the space feel more comfortable. A TV wall with storage is installed. Wall-mounted cabinets leave space underneath. This allows heat from the floor to circulate freely. And this is the result. A fully completed living space. Clean, bright, and balanced. Light tones, natural materials, and warm wood elements create a calm and inviting atmosphere. Large windows bring in natural light and connect the interior with the outside. This is what the entire process leads to, from the first foundation to the final detail. If you'd like to explore the floor plan in more detail, including dimensions, elevations, and sections, you can download it using the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more architectural content.